हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे लेवल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. ओके, as we have already learned that management does not refer to a single or individual, but it refers to a group of persons. Okay, management is a universal term used for certain functions performed by individual in an enterprise who are bound together in a hierarchy of relationship. Every individual in a hierarchy is relationship for successful completion of a particular task. Okay, to be able to fulfill that responsibility, he is assigned a certain amount of authority or the right to take a decision. Okay, to carry on these activities, these employees are given necessary authority and responsibility. This grant of authority result in creation of chain of authority. The chain is divided into three levels. Okay, three levels. First level is top level management. Levels. First is top level. The top level management. Okay. Top level management means they consist of the senior most executives of the organizations. Okay. Top level management consists of chairman, board of directors, managing directors, general managers, president, vice president. It includes group of essential persons. Okay, for leading and directing the efforts of other persons. The manager works at this level have maximum authority. Okay, the main functions of top level management is, first function is determining the objectives of the enterprises. Enterprise means the top level managers formulate the main objectives of the organizations. Okay, they form long term as well as a short term objectives. Okay, second function is framing and plan of policies. Framing of plans and policies. The top level managers also frame the planning and policies to achieve the set objectives. Okay. Third is organizing activities to be performed by person working at middle level. The top level management assigns job to different individual working at middle levels. Okay. Fourth is assembling all the resources assembling all the resources such as finance, fixed assets, etc. Okay. The top level management arrange all the finance required to carry on day-to-day business activities. They buy fixed assets to carry on activities in the organizations. Okay. Fifth function is responsible for welfare and survival of the organization. Top level management is responsible for the survival and growth of the organization. They make plan to run the organization smoothly and successfully. Okay. Next function is analyze business environment and its implications for survival. Okay, means analyzes the business environment. Okay, top level management analyze the business environment. What is the business environment in market and what is the changes are there. Okay, and make new policies. Okay, and its implications. Okay, for survival of the firm. Okay. Second level of management is middle level management. Okay, middle level management is a link between top and lower level managers. Middle level management consists of department heads, okay, such as purchase department head, sales department head, finance manager, marketing manager or plant superintendent, etc. Okay, people of this group are responsible for executing the plans and policies made by top level. They acting as a linking pin between top level or lower level management. They also exercise the function of top level for their department as they make plans and policies of their department, organize and collect the resources, etc. Okay. Now discuss about the main functions of middle level management. Okay, functions is, first function is interpretation of policies framed by top level to lower level. Okay, middle level management act as linking pin between top level and lower level management. They only explain the main plans and policies framed by top level management to lower level. Okay, second function is organizing the activities of their department. Means for executing the plans and policies. Okay. Generally, middle level managers are the head of some departments. So they organize all the resources and activities of their department. Okay. Third is finding out or recruiting oblique selecting appointing the required employees. Finding out of recruiting, selecting and appointing the required employment for their departments. The middle level management selects and appoints employee of their department. Okay. Next is motivating the persons to perform to their ability. The middle level managers offers various incentives to employees so that they get motivated and perform to their best ability. Okay. Next is cooperate with other department. Okay. Middle level management always cooperate with other departments for smoothing functions. Okay. Next is third level or lower level. Okay. This is third level. Okay. Means lower level or supervisory level. Okay. This level consists of supervisors, superintendent, foremen, sub-departments, executives, clerk, etc. Okay. Managers of these groups actually carry on the work or perform the activities according to the plans of top level and middle level management. Their authority is limited. The quality and quantity of output depends upon the efficiency of this level of managers. They pass on the instructions to workers and report to the middle level management. They are also responsible for maintaining discipline among the workers. Okay. And now we discuss about the functions of the lower level management. Functions of this level. First is representing the problems of workers. Okay. Before the middle level management, the supervisory level are directly linked with subordinates, so they are right person to understand the problems of subordinates or workers. They pass this problem to middle level management. Okay. Second is maintaining good working condition. Good working condition. Good working condition means the supervisory managers provide good working conditions and create supportive work environment, which improves relations between supervisors and subordinates. Okay. Third is looking to safety of workers. Supervisory level managers provide safe and secure work environment for workers. Okay, they provide safety work environment. Okay. Fourth function is they try to maintain precise standard of quality. They try to maintain precise standard of quality and ensure steady flow of output. The supervisors levels managers make sure that quality standards are maintained by the workers. Okay. Next and last function is they are responsible for boosting the morale of the workers. They are responsible, supervisor level and lower level management are also responsible for boosting the morale of the workers and developing the team spirit in them. They motivate the employees and boost their morale. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.